Hello YouTube and welcome knife enthusiast. Today we have a new knife from AsherKnives.com, AK knives, and kind of interesting box. It's magnetic. Took me a minute to figure it out. It looks like a slide box, but so this is different from his old box. And this is the Asher Douglas. So, really nice box it comes in. And this has a micarta handle. I've only flipped this a couple times, so. But absolutely amazing action. Really thin blade. S35 VN, so it carries really good in the pocket. Love these AK knives. They're just extremely well made. He's on Instagram. You can find him on Instagram. He's always posting videos. So pretty good action. Absolutely amazing action. It feels spring assisted. It just hardly any effort. It just flings right out. Nice deep carry pocket clip. This micarta is super smooth. Feels different than other micarta. But it's cool to support a young American designing knives and making knives. They're pretty affordable. At the posting of this video, you can still get this. It's still available. There are $106 on the website. You can only get these off of his website. So. But in case you're interested, I'll go through the specs real quick. Open length approximately 7.4 inches. Closed length approximately 4.2 inches. Blade length approximately 3.2 inches. Blade type, drop point, clip point. Blade material, S35 VN. Handle material, micarta. Spacer material, titanium. Pivot and washers are brass cage ceramic bearings. Fasteners are stainless steel. Pocket clip is stainless steel. Thickness is 0.49 inches, so just under a half inch. It's really thin, super light. Blade thickness approximately 0.1. Very thin blade. We'll see how slicey dicey it is. With that really thin blade, I expect it to be extremely slicey. And it is. Can never cut paper as good on video as I can off video for some reason. No idea why. There we go. How about that? Very slicey. Just gotta get the right angle on it. Really like how this one has a little foliar there where you can flick it right out with. Or you can use the thumb studs. I do have another Asher's knife. Gotta watch his website and wait for him to be released. This was an older release. This is Asher Spiro. And it just feels mechanical, like spring assisted or something. It just, the amount of force this knife flings out with is unreal. And this is an S35VN. He offered this in a natural G10 or this black G10. And I think he offered it with different blade finishes. This is stone washed. But really cool. Support a local American designing knives just starting out. It's actually has had quite a few releases. I think he's going to be around a long time, especially making knives with action like this that feel this good in the hand. You can tell these are very similar knives. Like, just all his knives have like the same similar look going on. Just a very simple, awesome designs. Can't say enough good stuff about Asher Knives, AK Knives. Definitely worth the money. Less than $100 usually to support an American designer just starting out. Somebody you can get in touch with and talk to on Instagram. I haven't tried reaching out to him or anything. Haven't had any need to. But I'm sure if you had any questions for him or anything, he'd answer them. So make sure you check him out on Instagram. Or get online. Order one of his knives before they're gone. I'm sure they're not going to last long. Really nice micarta though. Feels more like G10. I don't have one with micarta sitting around to compare it to, but just his D10 is just amazing. Perfect. Perfect D10. Both these knives. A little bit shake shut. Well, let me know what you guys think. Make sure to leave comments, like, subscribe. Have an awesome day.